The ducks are getting to hang out here in the yard. And they're loving this grass because their pens don't have any. So they're having a ball. And we have one, she hasn't come out not one time. She just hangs out in the pen. Guarding the fort. Hey, pretty babies. You can probably hear. Where y'all going? I'm surprised they haven't flown yet. There they go.